Welcome back to my channel and thank you for all your support. Today we are doing the famous Filipino chicken adobo, but we're doing it my way. Let's go. So these are my seasonings that I'm using. Normally they use soy sauce in this recipe, but because of allergy to this product, I'm using browning, which is burnt sugar, and I'm also using rice vinegar, and for that salty flavor, I use fish sauce. And I would generally say that this type of seasoning is about the vinegar, because the vinegar softens and tenderizes the meat so that it will absorb even better all the other remaining seasonings. And as for me, I love to cook with a lot of garlic. So in this case, I put onion powder and I put a lot of garlic powder, which you didn't see. I had put it previously. But because garlic, I love the flavor of it in meat especially. And you know what? It helps with your immunity. So let's do it. And this is my take on it. So you know what? I put a lot of hot sauce in our cooking as well. It's a West Indian thing. As well, remember our yin was that saltiness of that fish sauce. So for the yang, we're going to put some honey in it. And as we begin to mix it up, we want to remember we need to allow ample time for it to marinate. Overnight, of course, will be best. But since we are chopped for time, I'm going to just stir it and put it away in the fridge a little bit. I'm going to take a walk. Come and breeze out with me while it does its marination, and we'll come back to the kitchen once more. Let's go. And it's about 2 hours now, so let's head back in. And I'm going to put my meat in the oven so that it will get a nice rich dark brown color. Then all I need is to make the sauce. And this baking in the oven is not very long. I would say approximately 30 minutes. First 15 minutes skin up, then turn it over. You will notice that water has seeped from the meat and made a gravy in your pan. This is the same gravy that I'm going to put on the stove to thicken and put my meat in. And secret number 2, add 2 bay leaves in your stew. Oh boy, that looks so succulent. I just love it. And so tender the meat is. You will love it too. And I want to send a special shout out to my wonderful Filipino friend Redento, who requested this video. So delicious. See you on the next video.